So in this link state algorithm, we are going to solve this for a graph. We have u, v, w, x, y, z, and the associated cost is marked here. So u to v it is 7, v to w it is 3. Likewise, I have the cost has been marked. The first step is you have to write the step number n dash, that is the nodes that is visited. Distance between source node is u. U is the source node. U is the source node. From the source node, we have to identify the path. So from U, the distance between V, W, X, Y, Z has to be calculated. The first one is step 0 and n dash. N dash from U, the connected nodes. What are all the connected nodes? X is a connected node, W is a connected node, V is the connected node. Other nodes I have to mark infinity. So V is connected, X is connected, V is connected, X is connected, W is connected. So the rest of the nodes cannot be reached from U at this point. So that has been marked as infinity. From U, the visited node, what I am going to take is U. From U, the V. U to V, what is the cost? Initially it will be 7 as it is, 7 comma V. The previous node is, what is the previous node? Which is U. So for V, the previous node is U only. In the next case, W. To reach W, what is the cost? To reach W, it is 3. The previous node is U. And for reach X, the previous node is U. Previous 5. The previous node is U. So the distance is 5 comma U. So the first two has been filled successfully. The next one is step 1. Among this, which is the shortest cost I have to take? 3 is the shortest cost and the node is W. So the next visited node will be U, W. From W, what are all the connected nodes? V is the connected node, X is the connected node, Y is the connected node, and obviously U is also connected one. From W, from W to reach from W to V, what is the cost? The cost is 3. 3 is the cost, and to reach V, to reach V from W it is 3. To reach W from U, what is the cost? You should not check in the routers, you have to check it in the table. To reach W, what is the cost? 3. So 3 plus 3, it is 6. So we can give 6 comma W. Through W, if we reach V, we can give 6 comma W. And the next one, what is the next path? Next path is W to W as it is 3 comma U, and W to X. So W to X, the cost is 4. To reach W, what is the cost? To reach W, the cost is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7, which is greater than 5. So we just retain the old path as it is. And from W, we have the cost to Y. So the cost to W to Y is what? The cost to reach from W to Y is 8. To reach W, what is the cost? To reach W, the cost is 3. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 comma W is the value to reach Y. And in the next case, there is no direct link in X, so this will be infinity as it is. Likewise, the next, among this, you have to take the shortest value. The shortest value again here is, we can take X, W we have already taken. We are going to take X, which is 5 X value. So in the next step, the next visited node will be X. Then we have to find what are all the connected nodes from X. So X to Y, X to Z, X to W. So these three, X to U, these three nodes are connected. From X to V, what is the cost? There is no direct cost. So we just retain 6 comma W as it is. And from X to Y, X to W, we have cost 4, which is obviously greater than 3 comma U. So we just take 3 comma U as it is. And in the next case, from X to Y, it is 7. To reach X 5. So 7 plus 5 is obviously greater than the value that is given here. So we just retain 5 comma u as it is. To reach y, the value 11 comma w as it is we have given. And the next one, from x to z we have the value 9. So to reach z the value is 9. To reach x, what is the cost? To reach x, which is the minimum cost? 5. So 5 plus 9, 14. 14 comma x is the value to reach the destination. So finally the cost, you have to calculate the cost like this, and you can fill it and send me the final table.